I'm Rich Weiner. I played the premiere of Oiseaux exotiques in 1962 at the Aspen Music Festival, and at that time Messiaen was present. I've been fortunate enough to perform this piece many times over the years that I was in the Cleveland Orchestra, and several times with Pierre Boulez. In his performances, there are two aspects of the piece which I would like to mention to you. Number one, he wanted a warmer sound on the xylophone. And number two, each of the tempos in the large sections, let's say 4 to 7 and 10 to 22, were always performed under the tempo that Messiaen had indicated. Boulez chose these more deliberate tempos because the piece is very complex in nature. For me, the freer KBL model is the right sound and character for many of these passages, especially those in the high register.